welcome to Conception. Today I'll show you about how to create a linked list. So here I have used C language. So just defining the standard library, which is standard input and output library. Now calling the structure node, not calling this, initializing the structure. So just defining the variables, which is the data, and the pointer, which will point to the next node, as linked list is a collection of nodes and each nodes pointing to the other node. So now our node structure is ready. Now just defining the nodes. So in order to define the nodes, you have to call the structure and name the node. I have named it as 1 and initialize it as null. So let's take 3 nodes. The first one is null, every one will be null because it's just the initialization. So the second one, name it as 2, the third one, name it as 3. So our 3 nodes are ready. Initially it is null, so it has no size, just giving them a size. So we have to give the size of the structure. So struct node pointing to the memory allocations, which is malloc. So memory allocation of size of the structure node. So struct node. Okay, now you have to do it for all the 2, the remaining 2. So just copying it for the first one, second one, third one. Just change the names 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay. Now our node are ready. Just appending the data in the first node. We have assigned as null. Sorry, not null. We have to take it as 1 or any value you want. So the next pointing to the first node is pointing to the second, which is named as 2. So just doing the same thing till the third node. Defining the second node's data. It is you can define it as 2. Define it as 2, and it is pointing to the third node. So it's pointing to the third node. This is 3, and the 3's data is 3. So our data are appended. Now we have to close the linked list. So the next will be null, as it is the last of the linked list. Last node is filled. Now all the nodes are filled. Just you have to print the linked list. So I have defined a function called as print. It is not printf, it is print, a function. So I have to define the function over here. So void print, and we have passed a node. Okay, so we have to initialize the node in the function parameter. So struct node, I will name it as m. Now making the function, so running the while loop till the m reaches null. So till the m reaches null, m not equals to null, we have to print. What we have to print? We have to print the data. Okay, so just %d and m arrow data. The arrow is used just to call the member functions, member variables in the structure. So now m is pointed to the next. That's all for now. We will run it. Let's see what happens. Compiled successfully, and here's your linked list.